Cindy,
Yeah.
great job up on stage today. Really nice to have you up there helping me with the demos.
Yeah, my great pleasure. Thank you for great support.
Oh, you're very
A lot
welcome.
of fun together. Today we announced a lot of cool technologies. Can you please share with us what are the major takeaways in terms of end user experience?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of good announcements there. I think the virtual assistant's one that really stands out. We're always trying to focus on making for a good end user experience, but these days it's really important to focus on the day one employee experience. Making it easy for employees to get all of their day one needs met is a really big thing that the virtual assistant helps with. Second one that stands out to me is how we're increasingly leveraging multi-cloud to make it easier to do things like deploying digital workspaces. And I think the demo showed that really nicely. One of the interesting things, we don't always tie our cloud strategy together with our end user strategy, but that's a great example where the multi-cloud strategy comes to life for the end user. And then the third one, which is dear to my heart, is the way that we're integrating Carbon Black's analytics capability with our endpoint management, so that now we're able to provide this secure digital workspace experience, taking our presence in the mobile devices where we have all this visibility of what's going on, feeding that into Carbon Black's analytics cloud, using that information to come back and take very concrete actions to secure the end user device, keep the user secure, protect the essential corporate data. I think it's a very clear example of all the great synergies we get from working with Carbon Black. And again, delivering that vision of a consumer simple experience with enterprise grade security. Cindy, I know you work in R&D and the end user computing BU, but I understand you get a fair bit of time with customers. So tell me, what do you hear when you talk to customers?
Oh yes, I recently noticed quite some customer paradigm shifts.
Mm-hmm.
And in the past, we often talk to IT people in terms of end user computing. But in recent years, we see more and more HR people engaging us. And they talk with us about how to continue to empower and encourage their millennials to work happier and be innovative in their workspace. We also have our own IT people to go out to show off our own technologies as Customer Zero. And we see great resonance from our customers about our very own experience in terms of our technology.
Yeah, I mean, it's great throughout VMware how much we can use ourselves as an example to show off how our technology works.
Yes.
And clearly that focus on making the HR department happy is obviously about employee engagement. And there's really plenty of data to show how giving a better end user experience directly leads to better engagement, better retention, and so on. So
Exactly.
it's really great to see the way the technology is really helping people drive their business in the right direction.
Yeah.
Well, Cindy, thank you so much. It was great to spend time with you both now and on stage, and see you next
My
time.
great pleasure.